This Swansdown cake flour is the brand that I would use when I was making wedding cakes professionally, and it's the best one if you're making cakes from scratch to get a good soft product. The difference between cake flour, all-purpose flour, bread flour, and then in between it's a pastry flour, which is like the White Lily. This has the least protein in it. So when it mixes up with liquid and you beat the batter and develop the gluten, it develops the least gluten, so you're going to get the softest product. Do not use this if you're trying to make bread and it's a recipe that calls for bread flour, because you're not going to have enough protein in the flour to make a good gluten base. But if the recipe calls for cake flour, this is what you should use because the recipe's formulated for that. And if you use all-purpose flour or bread flour or any other kind of flour, it's going to give you a tougher cake. And that's just how protein and gluten works. So yeah, definitely get this if you are baking from scratch. It does have some recipes on the back that work really well. And that's the reason that you need cake flour. It's because of the protein content in the wheat. It's just different types of wheat.